All right, language explorers, let's look at this week's Thursday adverbs. So else, else, in addition to, also, also, different to, or instead of. Yeah. I want to do it, or else she would. I would have gone there, or else I could have never gone. It was my chance, or else I would never have it again. I will go there, or else I would regret it. Or else I would regret it. Oh, yeah. They needed to see it, or else it would not happen. Yeah. I want to do it, or else I will never get a chance. Yeah. She will read it, or else she will sell the book. Yeah. He wants to go now, or else he will be late. Oh. Yeah, different to, instead of. Yeah, go now or never go, or I could have gone, or this is my chance and never have it again. Yeah, or I will regret it. Yeah. It might work, or else it will fall apart. If it doesn't work, it'll fall apart. Yeah. How cool is that? So they had an idea. They have an idea that might work, or else they would be stuck there. Yeah. The choices, in addition to, or instead of being stuck, they had a choice to do something. Mm-hmm. So sometimes they dance, so everyone else will dance with them. I begin talking, then everyone else can talk with me. I'll learn Spanish, or else I'll have no other language skills. Yeah. I am thinking about learning Arabic, or else I'll be stuck with only English and Spanish. Yeah. How cool is that? Soon they'll see it. How else could they learn? How else is it possible? I will read these books. How else can I learn, for example? Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So else. In addition, also. Yeah, different to or instead of. Yeah. So, can you use else in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video and subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yes. So Adrian Nanchev on Udemy and English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.